equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a replacement battery compatible with the Conga 2290. Before starting, make sure the device is turned off and unplugged from any power source. First, locate the screws on the back panel of the Conga 2290. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage the casing. With the back panel removed, you will see the battery compartment. Take a moment to inspect the area for any dust or debris. Using the soft cloth, clean the internal components to ensure optimal performance. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. Next, disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging the connector. Make sure to note how the battery is positioned, as you will need to place the new battery in the same orientation. Remove the old battery from the compartment and set it aside. Now, take your new battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the battery connector, making sure it clicks into place securely. It's essential to double-check that the connection is firm to avoid any issues later on. Once the new battery is installed, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the casing. After securing the back panel, it's a good idea to test the device. Turn it on and check if it operates correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision without any pressure. Finally, if everything is working well, give the exterior a quick wipe down with your soft cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges. This not only keeps your device looking good, but also helps maintain its longevity. Changing the battery in your Conga 2290 is a straightforward process that can save you time and money. However, if you feel uncertain at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. We are here to help with no calls, no travel, making it easier than ever to keep your device in top shape. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.